The Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee (Mpcc) convened a gathering on the 22nd of January 2024 in Nongpo to welcome Rahul Gandhi and the Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra team to Meghalaya. Mpcc President Vincent expressed gratitude to state leaders, supporters and the public for the successful continuation of Rahul Gandhi's Yatra.
I am very grateful to the workers of the Congress, those who work very hard to bring the public to the Yatra, right from Jorabat up to Nongpo. I special grateful to all the MLAs. Different responsibilities has been given for Dr. Celestine Longdo, Charles Marnar, who are MLAs from Riboy. The maximum responsibilities was given to them. So thank you, Doctor, for all the hard work you have done and your team. And also Baroni, who managed yesterday in the stage, as well as for giving the welcome address to Rahul Gandhi and the public. So thank you, Baroni, for all the hard work. Also, Saleng, who brought many people from Karils, and Madam Deborah also. Thank you for all the hard work you have done. And special thanks to all the people who came, not only the Congress workers, not only the Congress voters, but the public at large. This shows that if we in the Congress really work together, if we in the Congress unitedly fight for the elections, the public will be with us. This also shows that whenever Rahul Gandhi goes, be it in Manipur, be it in Assam, be it in Nagaland, be it in Arunachal, so the public wants to listen, wants to interact, and also wants to see how Rahul Gandhi is doing his yatra. So same thing, remarks yesterday by many of the press as well as many of the people from AICC. They said that Meghalaya is the best so far in terms of public attitudes, especially. For example, if you see in many other states, they have to wait for Rahul Gandhi almost 5-6 hours. Yesterday we told the people to come at 1 o'clock, but Rahul Gandhi came at 4 o'clock. Almost the meeting started at 4:30, and the meeting was over by almost 6:30 to 7. But the public were intact, they did not move out of the meetings. So very less in the northeast who behave like this. Normally the crowd, when they have to wait for so long, it was very cold also. At the same time, people must be hungry. At the same time, the bus or the vehicle has to go back to the different villages they used to live. But yesterday, exceptionally warm welcome to Rahul Gandhi and exceptionally thrilled to see Rahul Gandhi. So I'm very grateful to each and every one of the people who managed it as well as who came. And this sends a message to Rahul Gandhi that Meghalaya really for the Congress and will always be with the Congress.
Despite seeking permission from the Meghalaya government for an interaction at the University of Technology and Management at Jorabat, Rahul Gandhi and his team were denied, leading to discontent among Congress leaders and supporters. Mpcc President Vincent in a press conference held on 23rd January 2024 suggested a possible nexus between the ruling party in Meghalaya and the BJP at the centre due to the government's actions.
The state government has rejected our applications. They rejected and they don't give us permissions. See, Rahul Gandhi wants to go to a university not for political discussion but for interaction with the students, how to inspire the students. See, the intention of the Bharat Jodo Yatra is justice for youth, participations of the youth and the people also. And then he'll have interactions with different women, interaction with the farmers, interaction with the workers, interactions with different sections of people, civil societies. So part of the program, like today we had interactions with the civil societies. Though they stopped us from USTM, but we had interactions at the hotels with the students also. So at 8 o'clock the students came, and he also had interactions with the Northeast Congress Coordination Committee also today. So it did not stop us, but only it shows the mindset of the government in the state is controlled by the BJP, because the BJP is against the Yatra of Rahul Gandhi. The BJP doesn't want Rahul Gandhi to connect with the people. The Yatra, the purpose of Yatra is to connect with the people, listen to the people, and take the views of the people. And in that way, then we have an experience. In that way, then we can know what is the mindset of people. So when we be in the government, then we'll be able to deliver. And when we want to prepare a manifesto, then we'll be able to promise. So these interactions is not only in Meghalaya, and in Nagaland we are in opposition, in Manipur we are in opposition. Nowhere in the country who reject the permission, except Meghalaya as on today. So we have been all over. You see, yesterday the Jai Sri Ram team has done the marching right from Guwahati up to Meghalaya. They entered Banihat, another place. That a permission was granted or not granted by them, we don't know. But we as a disciplined party, we ask a permission. Otherwise, we don't need a permission for interaction with the students. Like today, we had interaction with the student. Where they didn't give us, we had interaction with students because we don't need a permission for. But I think for law and order, I thought we should have it interaction. They refused, but we have done it. So same thing, this government, they want and they give a space for all those people. If you see in the YouTube, I've seen so many things in the press. I met them personally also. They were all around from Meghalaya to Assam. We don't mind. I mean, we have no problem for walking. But why not to them you grant a permission? Why not to us you don't grant a permission? This is very serious. The people of Meghalaya should think. I think the people should know also that this government is spineless, is controlled by the BJP in Delhi, and this government is spineless, is controlled by the leaders from Assam. This is what we could sense from the director of the USTM, that lots of threats has been given to him. That's one of the biggest challenge which we have in the Northeast. Things have become, threatening has become towards our institutions, towards our people, towards our business communities.